Atrocities all over the world, wars become more bloody where religious sentiments are attached. Enemies see each other as abominable infidels that deserve to die. During the Nigeria-Biafra War, atrocities and war crimes were obviously committed, but the international community failed to identify or recognize the ethnic and religious implications. However, the purpose of this work is neither to apportion blames nor criticize anyone, but to preserve history and to let our younger generations who were not born during the struggle know the kind of songs used to boost the morals of the Biafran soldiers.
Biafra gamarapo Biafra jege bozo jebiri Biafra gadindu. Take my boots off when I die, oh Biafra. Take my clothing to the camp. I didn't give my gun to someone else to fight for fatherland. Biafra, take my boots off when I die. Ojukubeze na la Biafra. Edere ya na buri. Awolo one ya Yakubu go one. Ewe ikineri Biafra. Biafra win the war. Amodu Kasheli machine heavy artillery bomb and fighter. Enye mugo wa wanting to get my boy we nonu. Enye mugo wa wanting to get. Enye mugo wa wanting to get my boy we nonu. Enye mugo wa wanting to get. Umu Biafra. Unekwe kwana kagwa wachuno. Unekwe kwana kagwa wachuno. Ochichi bisina kojuku bia onyese aya choro chichi go waru mwebi ebi. Ochichi bisina kojuku bia onyese aya choro chichi go waru mwebi ebi. Abumonya mamiye nemu ani rapu kwa mu mabaro we mami. We rapu chakeche ya anya we. Omeninyo bakwerieri, omeninyo bakwerieri. Biafra kunye buso Nigeria. Makagini nina magi chineke kere ha. Commando, ebutere ya commando. ebute butere ya komando, ebute butere ya komando. Akwụkwọ Igbo beri mana oruwo Chineke ntị, ọ dị mmegbu Chukwu chiba anyị. Akwụkwọ Igbo beri mana oruwo Chineke ntị, ọ dị mmegbu Chukwu chiba anyị.
Chizi chere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu chiba anyị. Okay, yeah.
Most of the Biafran war songs aimed derogative invectives of the Nigerian government of oligarchy, who directed the killing of innocent Biafran women,
Killing of innocent Biafran women and men and children. And it's still going on till tomorrow. Okay, yeah.
The Nigerian military junta added hunger to the already existing weapons of mass destruction in their arsenal.
This is why they scrapped history from the schools in Nigeria. Because of this, they scrap away history. Good evening, mothers and fathers. Good evening, sisters and brothers. We shall conquer. We shall conquer. This song, okay, was the reason why they stripped away history from in schools. They don't want you to know your history. They don't want you to know how they massacred Biafran people. And systematically now they are still doing it. Okay. They are still killing our people. Okay. If they don't kill you, they destroy your property. Invariably, they've killed you. Because maybe when you acquired those properties, you were still young and vibrant. At your old age now, are you still going to have such properties again? Of course not. Good evening, fathers. Good evening, mothers. Good evening, sisters and brothers, friends and well-wishers. And you that stigmatizes yourself as my enemy, I say good evening from here. Okay. Good evening. When we are being told to contribute money for something, some of us are busy gossiping. Some of us are busy gossiping because the Fulanis are yet to come near your damn mouths. Okay, yeah. Some of us, we start analyzing my video instead of analyzing that the Fulanis are busy doing. They will be analyzing mine. Looking for somebody's video they're gonna analyze. Meanwhile, the Fulani, they have taken over Nigeria. You are still there daydreaming. Okay. When it happens in your village, because it didn't happen in my village, I wouldn't talk about it. Listen, it's circulating. It's like a clock. It's working. The Fulanis are systematically counting the seconds and the minutes for you. The hour they will come to my own, you are there still gossiping about me. The next hours, they are at your place. And what will I do? I will still sit and start gossiping about you. You see how they are winning us. You see how they are winning all the Southerners. The Fulanis are winning us. But from the southwest, from the southeast, we are cowards, I tell you big time. Southerners, you all are cowards from top to bottom, no exception of anybody. This evening I have come to ridicule all you Southerners. From top to bottom, nobody's excluded. I tell you big time. Call yourself my father, call yourself my mother, call yourself my brother or sister. You are all cowards from the pit of Jezebel, you all are. We are there procrastinating. Look at what the Fulanis are doing. Do we want to hear some audio recording? People are now shouting, crying. In their villages, they are crying. When you will think that Fulani will not come near you, hey, Fulani, they want to eradicate anything called Igbo land. Okay, they want to take it away from you. And what are you still doing? You were asked to contribute money. Some of you are mounting on your stupid pages and you are gossiping. What you are doing is gossiping. Let's listen to an audio. I cried. Now, what happened to Odumeje? When I was at work, I heard it. I was, in short, 30% of me left me. I don't go to Odumeje's church, okay? When I was at work, when I heard it, okay, 30% of me left me. And I'm such a person that if anything troubles me, I get in, that is, I get initiated, that is, how will I say it? That is, I get, you will see it in me, it will tell all over me. I will get macheted immediately. If anything disturbs me, I get no matter what I'm eating, I will get emaciated immediately. I said 30% left me. I was walking, I was crying, as if I know Odumeje, as if I have been in his church, as if he had rendered any help in any of my family. Never. None of my family goes to his church, but I was just crying. Do you know why I was crying? I was crying because the Igbo people, they are so, I don't want to insult you people. Father, please control my speeches this evening. Control me that I don't boil and start insulting you people. You will be talking some Igbo people, they will still be telling you, oh, when if there is not, I don't know when my Igbo people have turned to Lily Liver. Chineke na mere nu me bury. I don't know when you people have turned to Lily Liver. What you are planning is 2023 election. Peter Obigi Yaba. Now, see how Fulanis are going. Now, where did they say they've went to again? See how young men are crying. When young man is crying, I wonder what this person wants the wife to do. I wonder what these people want their children to be doing. When I will be seeing my father crying because their fellow men have invaded their community. Somebody that is not from your place because they are no. Look at Odumeje. When he got that property, did they not give him C of O? Did they not? Did he not sign documents? Did they not tell him from what range to what range that he could build his whatever that he had wanted to build? Okay. Yeah, I said when I was at work, I was boiling as though Odumeje was my brother. I was crying. See how these people are systematically destroying all the properties belonging to the Igbo people. Chai. Because they said during the war the other time, they gave you 40 pounds after destroying all your things. But it wasn't this extent. Nayo Dumegu Ojuku surveyed his property, his people property. He never allowed the Nigerian government to come and destroy his people. But what do we have today? All our billionaire brothers, all our billionaires, what are they doing? Either they marry 7 wives, either they go to club, looking how they will buy one Jack Daniel, 2 million naira. Okay. Taking a tour to Dubai, another man's country that they so have. My God. They enjoy going to another man's country. Okay. But in their own, they cannot help out. The autopilot as Simon is crying. You people should come. You people should come and donate so that we will have what we are supposed to have. Nayo Dumegwojuku stripped off all the wealth of his father just to give us a life. But what did we do? We still betrayed him. He was sick. No evil man was able to help him. And one, Father, I said, control my mouth, please. And one person sat on his platform and was doing analysis. No. Nayo Dumegwojuku did not die because Peter Obi did not render services, did not render money. Rather, he died because he was sick and the system has gone deteriorated. So there is no remedy. So he died. This is what Igbo men are busy talking. Fulani are there. Fulanis are there. Chineke mekweru nebere. Now, the people that are, as I came back, okay, with the force, I just threw my bag. I pick up my phone just for me to transfer the video onto this one so I can analyze on it. Only for me to see another video telling us that Odumeje Church, okay, was not destroyed. It was the security, blah, blah, blah. But why must they go to destroy? Why must Soludo first start from his people? Why must it be Gota? Soludo, akpotaloge ki imebe Gota. If he maybe, if anything he maybe, or bulu property Igbo. They suffered and bought cement from Dangote, from Fulani people. Fulani will collect our money. Fulani will come and kill us. Fulani will destroy us. That thing that they demolished cost Odumeje billions of money. Okay. It cost him fortune. Okay. And before he built that structure there, they gave him the power of attorney. They gave this man power of attorney. And the guy that was doing the analysis was trying to defend the Wanyawu. And this is what the government are trying to do. Because it's near the drainage. Because they are trying to drainage. Because the drainage. What about this? The dirty slap that they gave to Odumeje? What about that one? Oh, it was mistakenly given, right? It was mistakenly. See how the Fulanis are ridiculing you people. That is why I cry. That is why I cry. You didn't only destroy my faith. You still slapped me. No respect for any woman again. Oh, we don't get any respect again. Was the father that you never had. Chizi Teremazen Namode Kano was the impediment that was holding this nomenclature of Fulani people before. Chizi Teremazen Namode Kano is our father. Nobody can take it away. They are there analyzing that what the government did was a good thing. Okay? That Odumeje, the security post, the security fence, it was near the drainage. Drainage, where Jekwen drainage. Drainage, Jekwen another drainage. This is what is now that you people knew. It is now that you got to know that the security post was built under federal government drainage. It is now that you got to know that Ebo Odumeje will security post, yeah? Yeah? No outside the drainage, federal government. The place is big to be a football match. I'm telling you. What they have just given to our uncle, Demo Odumeje, is just a tip of the iceberg. They are coming. Chizi Teremazen Namodekano cried and said, they are coming. These people are coming. Ndibo, all you billionaires, these people are coming. They are coming. You say, Kwadamado, Oga Changa, I'm not happy because he's still mine. He's still my own. He's still my person. He's still my father. He's still my blood. He's still my uncle. If Fulani can be covering their people, I don't care what any Igbo man does. I will still support that Igbo man. I don't care. Once it is against Igbo and any other tribe, I will support my Igbo person. I tell you, die. I tell you, somewhere I can't go. If fella I did go too much. I took to Lola ma Odumeje upon they destroy property. Upon the Igbo ripped off his father's account because of you and I. Maybe if they had killed my father by then, I wouldn't have come to life. Okay. Maybe if they had killed my mother by then, I wouldn't have come to life. But Nnayi Odumegwu Ojukwu used his father's wealth to protect you and your land. Now that, oh my God, now that there is no other person like Nnayi Odumegwu Ojukwu or Chistremazi Nnamdi Kanu, see what they are doing to your land. They got in the fan, amen, Igbo. Child. Oh God, oh God. Leni fa na-eme ndị Igbo, legodi n'ife a na-eme ndị Igbo, legodu n'ife a na-eme. Ọ bụ na ọwụ ofu onye Igbo malodumeji akanti today. All lion. Ma ndị n'obodo oyibo ayaba plane, gba flight, jee na be that person. Gosi ya nkali. I will show you na aka ngo. I will show you. Nisi Rabunono. I will show you. Fulani, common idiot Fulani, that is yet to take his douche. I mean his beds. That is yet to Sahoya slap Odumeje after destroying his property. Ndi wenu deba wanasi. Oh, guy, don't do that. Oh, Chineke, no. Oh. Chizitere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwefuru ka unu ụra wee lee Chizitere onwe ike ịdịrị unu mma eziokwu nna ka unu ụra wee ree Chizitere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu asị m onwe ike ịdịrị unu mma ma ịbụ nwoke ma ịbụ nwaanyị ka unu ụra wee ree Chizitere onwe ike ịdịrị unu mma. I tell you people, look at what they are doing to your people. Look at what they are doing. I'm telling you, he are not full boys from China. He are not full Lion Kingdom, Lion Group from Turkey. He are not full Lion from Dubai. He are not full, that is Lion family from Norway. They would have descended in Nigeria. They would have come down, Jenna, the family of that person, Malodumejola. Mananen kankande fulani, neke si welono wena babantelo. Nagani no kande fulani sine mononcha. Ofalo ka potabula ola meze. Ene kwaneze. Always end their certificate from Abuja. That is why none of them is talking. The only Eze that is liable now of talking is the Eze in South Africa. Okay. He is the only Eze recognized by the gods of the land. Other Eze is Wachikotande Fulani. Other Eze in Biafra land. That is why they are killing their people. Nobody is coming. Eze Ozo. Echinano actually Riji. Eze Nkana Dubai. Eze ndị Igbo na Ghana. Eze ndị Igbo na Mauritania. Chineke kpọcha unu niile ọkụ Victor. I tell you people. Eze ndị Igbo na Oraifite. Eze ndị Igbo na Nnewi. Eze nke a na Imo steeti. Eze nke a na Ụrakpa. Ihere megbu Charles ka nnụ ndị Igbo. Hua, Chineke na ọbụna wike gbara ụlọ ọtọ ndị ọzọ gbara ụlọ ọtọ. Okay, come on. Come enwe m oche kpuchiri m. If ọbụna m dị single gbara ụlọ ọtọ, I'm telling you. Ife na unu na-eme m ndị Igbo. Ife na unu ndị Igbo. Ife na unu na-eme m. I'm telling you. Guys na-ebe anwa atụtụla ụla ma lion, ma Odumeje. Nobody uje egbe na-atụ unu. Mana ọ bụ na ọnwụ nwanne gị nwoke mana Odumeje ya bụ ụla. Ịsụpụ akwa. Guy! Ibulunu bọtụl nọ. Igwe ka Odumeje si wee zụọ nne gị na nna gị. Igwe ka Odumeje si wee zụọ ụmụnne gị na university. Mana onye Fulani na-adịka awụ esho. Ọtụtụlụ ụmụ maja Odumeje. Okay. Unu neba wa na-eme film. They didn't destroy his church. They only destroyed the security. You may go no Jewel Lord security. Did you know how much it cost him to have built that security post? Soludo Choli Wulugi fly over there, right? Soludo Chori Menega expand the football pitch there, right? Fele me buchaku ozikono big time. Now if this Fulani systematically na buno nime. Chelo do kainge. One of our brother lamenting. Ndi was zele lamentation. Okay. Ndi Fulani bulu revelation. What their father told them, whose Madam Fodio told them, is what they're accomplishing now. Ndi bulu ze lamentation. Ndi Fulani buze revelation. If you let me muchako no dia big time, you people ain't not chineke na eh. Hey, hey. As you come on bro one thing eh. I told them when it's in me with Igbo. I'm telling you, you people are wicked. Open up bro one thing. Ezioku, wait for you to come on Igbo. Chineke melu nebere. Simon is there shouting. Some people are not are saying him as that he wants to extricate them. He wants to extricate them. He wants to swindle their money. He wants to take their money and war from Finland. Woe betide you there, your evil thinking. Woe betide you there, your evil thinking. Okay. Nayo Dumego Juku never asked a dime for any Biafran. Rather, he used his father's savings to fight for you and I. Nayo Dumego Juku. Okay. Nayo Dumego, what will ever please you, Igbos? Tell me what will ever please you people. Who will ever do that one that will please you people? Who will ever do it? Who will ever do that thing? Chineke na asim na Chineke na obunam the single eh. Aka ma supulu no godo gbalu no to here Chineke akpu no oku. Okay. Chineke akpu no oku. Listen, otonke ma burokwa otonke social media. Mbalu no to mbo ni yi. That is mbandi Igbo no. Okay. Mbandi Igbo no really pathetic. You people are so pathetic. You people are keeping quiet. The Fulanis, if Nayo Dumego Juku has kept quiet, do you think that those little effort that our parents did by building us some small batches, some small six bedroom, four rooms, you think you would have come to meet them? You think? Some of you now, you have made money. What you will do is, Mama did try. Mana kam tinyekwe my own. Yotago can tinye the new. Yotago the new. Chineke name. The new design kita kamalukwa. Okay. Now on namo molom. Onye bia na bunu, ona eneke nnago, ona eneke go is a pride. Okay. Mana the Fulanis are trying to raise everything, which in Kelolo self na ya foya. Uno si se, imani chohi ku ise, nenu donation asu unu je donate ya. Odumeje now. That is awful. Awful to ye see bulusie geni neketa wenye ndị autopilot ọ yeme ọsịsọ ọkwa na-agwa unu ntị echie unu kuba na anụgo ebe ama na-eme oyi ọkwa abakiari ọkwa ndị nke ya release gị they are going to plan for you people 2023 kwankwaso kasị na kwala ha jebe nso kwankwaso ọkwa onye ma ya bụ second man of Solugu Dogi of Peter Obigi. Okwakwasi unu ofula agenda ya unu ofukwala agenda kita adalugo wopu abakiari ojegi plan unu big time enende ya chaya. Why didn't they come and put a bounty? that anybody, should you see Abakiari, 40 million will be given to you. Ndi monto. Enye no nego no tutulu cheese tremaz na mo de kanu kuku onya. Bunye ndị Fulani. Hey, jego kpọpụta Abakiari. Onye Fulani gị tinyelu bonti. Che! Oh God. Onye Fulani gị tinyelu bonti ka m na-ajụ na ndị Igbo. Maka ego. Hey. Maka ego. Ife ji akpụ unu n'ọnụ. Maka ego. An Igbo man can do anything for money. Che, afọ anwa solunu na-eje. Afọ ọjọọ anwa fo solunu na-eje. Right? Has the federal government come to put a bounty that should you see Abakiari, 40 million will be given to you? Has any of your international community said anything about Abakiari? I ask us. Abakiari, that many atrocities were found on him. Okay, if he had been an Igbo man, okay, if he had been an Igbo man, and Igbo, I don't know when he had Melogibalo. If I go too much, if fella go too much, if fella go too much, no, because Chai, how? Nebeno, again, Uno, my plan of fang way for cheese. Uno, my plan. This this plan job, Melona Kuje. I just me about cheese 3 months and I'm on the Goku canono. If every time on 4 police die, 3 police in kill, or no government to kill 3, or no we find the lelo, unane, all the governors cadendo, all the governors cadendo, 3 police die, 2 police kill. I'll not get down, sit down there. Do I know the police? Do I know any police? I'm on police. All the 5 states, God, they are still there, working majestically, still planning on how they will still come and eradicate you people more. Every day, Avengers flyers, Bakassi, 7, shut. All the 5 Eastern governors that are helping to bring these terrorists killing us, they are still there. Galavantino, they are still there. Simon is calling for a crying call. Instead of you, instead of us, to start doing what we are supposed to do. Somebody will mount on his stupid chair. Stop because he couldn't do what Simon is doing. Because he just couldn't do. He can't imagine a young man like himself. Maybe he's older than Simon. Okay. Because they cannot fathom the spirit with which this guy is working on. Some say he has eight native doctor. Now, if Simon has 8, you go and get 12. Times 8 by 3. Okay. So you can outsmart him. Okay. Fulanis are penetrating. They have entered. Listen. Okokonde. Nde pechi. Nde pechi. If people are it's okay. I said if not for one thing, Nah, hey. I'm sorry. Really. You people are pathetic. You people are so pathetic. Where are you now, please? Utru youth. Ebe ugodugu.
Ndị Fulani nọ n'ebe anyị kịta. Ndị Fulani nọ na ndị Ngodo, side Ngodo and Ugwu Ọgụ. ndị Fulani asọrọ ndala ebe anyị kịta. So ha hunt one of our brother Kene Kpekpere na-akpọ ofu ngwongwo. So ha amaghị mma nwunye kutu ofu onye ala.
Ifulia ama the husband mma nwunye ya akutu ofu onye. Una follow the venom of a woman. Una follow ụmụ nwanyị ụmụ nwoke aya gwunu chileno that is it. Chileno scrutum unu bano no mu na ọsịsọ. Bulono Chineke. Father, please control me. Bulusiano scrutum sunu bayano no mu na ọsịsọ. Una follow if this man ukulu. Amalo di somebody ma. Nwunye ya kutuo somebody. Kutuo one of those stupid Fulani terrorists that came. You came to my land. I was not in the north. Igbos are running. They are hiding. In the ceiling, they are hiding. Under the closet, they are hiding. In the north. You invade my land again, the Biafran land. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Look at what they did to somebody. This man in Katsina. Is it a bishop or a pastor? Before the man, they killed his 2 sons. They killed his 2 sons. And abducted his daughter. Do you know what they must have done to the wife? Maybe he doesn't want to say that. And they shot this man as we are speaking. He's in hospital. They might still go there and still send him to the great beyond. What else is left for this man? This man is old. Even if this man is a young man, how can he have another children that we have that age before his demise? When? How? His 2 boys, Bikono. His 2 boys, Bikono. Hey. Ndị amaro. Chai, Chineke. Ndị Igbo, gubene egwu. Batano na your platform. Bulu Simon, bulu the autopilot. Father se one of her. Okay. Ifele me muchakwo no nine. Ifele kachasi ifele. Hey, Chineke na eziokwu. Amara kwam na ndị Igbo ji otu a, eziokwu Chineke. Mụnwa na-eji ndị Igbo etu ọnụ. Eziokwu amara na ndị Igbo ji otu a. Amara m na ndị Igbo ji otu a. Amara m na ndị Igbo unu di like this. Amara m na unu di weak. Amara m na my Oduduwa even stronger than you people. I tell you well. My Oduduwa is stronger than you people. Okay. Then you also know where Otolo youth. Fano na aboso. Cheesy Teremazen and Monicano have told them how they will all stage those people. They came through somewhere, isn't it? They came through some place, isn't it? You allowed them to invade your places. You saw their armored tankers coming, isn't it? Hanabili, Ilijiabi. When you saw the armored car coming, or armored tankers coming, they were coming to slice the New Yam Festival for you, isn't it? Isn't it? Chai. Fele, ifele unu na-emem. Ndị Igbo ifele unu na-emem. Some kita na plan iri ji. Some no na plan party. Kita! Hey, ebe ka ifolo na Facebook or anywhere. Ana sị ndị Awụsa na-eme party. Everybody they are crying, they are mourning. No be your side today, or we can know your side tomorrow. Ndị Fulani with the upper power. They are mourning because they want to do what they are supposed to do. Then they will now start their celebration. Okay. Manande Igbo. Kuba na-etinye isi London keta. Ọ na-eje wedding somebody. Nke ọzọ, akwa P Square. Ọkwa agwago unu welu nu PVC. Agwagokwu unu na ha na-abịa America. Ndị Igbo na-asị, we are waiting for you. P Square, we are waiting for you. Chai, we are waiting for you. Osuo na Nigeria. About her flight to Chipu Biaba America. Obodo ndị ọzọ ụmụ nwoke nwela akpa amụ kafanwa. Obodo fa dozili. Nyanwa kafanwa na-eji ime enjoy. dozienu nke unu na-achọ onye chọrọ ili ego, onye na-achọghị ili ego. You want one Nigeria. You want one Nigeria. America ahụ ị na-eje ọrụ sọsọ English ka a na-asị de ifele megbuchakwuo nọ ncha. Ya ije ebe ahụ nkịta ịsụba America, ịsụba, oh yeah, ịsụba. Another man, your fellow man, okay, made that country what it is today, that you are going to take the American honey. Okay, another man did it. Okay, this Western world that we all find ourselves, it was, okay, their youths, their thoughts. Yeah? And when you come to Western world now, when any white man does anything to you, you will say, I know my rights. You know your rights. Go and know your rights in your Africa. I'm telling you big time. Go and know your rights in your country. No respecter of anybody now in Igbo land. They just want to ridicule you. Oh, guy, don't do now. Konya bulonyi Igbo go malodumejola. Ase monde lion family. Lion family you see everywhere. No way. Eba wate katilanya. No way. Japan, China, Finland. Ebe ayabata. Na kainje go see that guy. You go nekoji. Oji we ma lion na yola. Onye Fulani na-adịkara ọsara. Ọ maziri lion gola. Okay? Unu nọ ebe ahụ na-eme comma flag. Yes. It was the drainage. It's near the drainage. They want to build a vast football pitch. Obiabulo ebe ahụ. Anagugo. If a big boy si na-eji ego nalụ mmadụ ana. Anagugo government afroze ebe ya ewana all side odumeje. Ọrụ ya ifele megbuchakwa no cowards. Cowards ko no bosses so nonsense. Chelo kainge just a short something I want to do. So
as I'm talking to you now, Abalea. So because I'm
Nyelemaka yenye bụ donate. Nwokem, nyelemaka ye ma ọ bụ ni donate egote ife achọrọ igo. Ndị ekperima. Ego unu niile amanụ na bank. They're gonna confiscate everything. Read my lips, sweetheart. All those your money. And Fulani will confiscate them. You see how they started? You see how they started? In your bank, in your accounts, they are removing something compulsorily for the federal government since the inception of your Buhari regime. Okay. Everything has skyrocketed. They are ripping you in all phases. They are just ripping you. Okay. The only thing you will do here, is not there. Okay. Contact autopiloters. IPOB autopiloters. Also kwano. Gibena ashiri. Also kwa zikano. Nikwena ashiri kemeno. Akwano meba. Mechana maja susutu owem. Jesaro owem aho. Chozigbo nublaka. Rima. Unu wano ne-epie from window. Fulani had just a beer for parade. When they are coming, inu di go na your window. They people, okay. You gotta go. A man on the whole place. Unamago. See, that is it. See, you get Christmas lights. Unomaka Christmas lights is ade. Oburo madi asige pota. Ina pota like this. Ina fukwa tai. Okay. Ina nukwa tai. Okay. Now you do me go juku. Bankrupt na because of your case. Yeah? Cheese is remazen na modekano. Mebe nko melo. Ono umakwa ya afa. Meanwhile, okwa ndi America de gonye suit. Okwa ndi ọma na egonye kwa suit ọ na-eyi. Onwere kwa nke esi na post IPOB je gotelu this man. This man enwere kwa ugbo. This man no obodo Igbo onwere kwa ka nke ya. Yet you people still criticize him. Yeah, transmitter money. He ate it. Transmitter. Okay. Nkawa debe du. Owo no wa. No under him Neli Diego. I'm telling you big time. Woke madu balaka. Funu go cheese trebo jere na 5-star hotel before jeli enni. Oh na buka. Na cafeteria. Ka this man de je dono. Na-eli mama put. Okay. Unu bulukwe le asif nke anwe zero. Simon Abiago. What are you people saying again? Obuna Simon enwebe this is platform where bata. Unu yasu na we go ego ndi Biafra ko jiwe. Listen, this struggle, okay, has gone past IPOB one family. Guy. Unadulia. This thing, Akaligo, IPOB one family. Nay. Uno mandiye wetela Biafra. Uno mafa. Think it's what your IPOB one family. Listen. Systematically, unu ya ni fire melody that place. You didn't ever remember the Avengers. Avengers, we are here. They killed three police people. Is that what we want? The Fulani, see how they are stepping up their games. See how they are stepping up their games. We are unknown gunmen. They kill 4 soldiers. Who cares about soldiers? Who cares about them? Who cares? Inunya na ihe adịla too much. Oh, oge chisire maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwuye ọ dịrọ too much. Oge chisire na-ekwuye chisire maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwuye ọ dịrọ too much. Asem ani gbogbo wa la ma jẹ breakfast. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ lolúkálùkù ma jẹ tiẹ̀. Ani gbogbo wa ṣe a ma jẹ breakfast.
Nde Fulani salam direba ni kita. So gibo ya no olum. Biko onye bala ndị bala kan kwuta. Ndị abatara yime. Ndo won. Ihe chewa ndị wonuwo, biko ibo onye ọbụla na-anọ. Incha n'oge anyị, chan n'ihe chewa nche ugbu ọnwa. N'ihi na akwụrụ m ihe ugbu ọnwa because ọba ndị ka ọwụ tụrụ ọrịa everywhere is boiling. The Fulani herdsmen no one available.
Did we not hear what that that's our brother that was once castigated Simon, okay, that have now what will I say, the spirits of Chistre Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have ministered to him. He came now and starts, eating back what he said before. Did he not say it? How many terrorists do we have now in Nigeria? Chistre Mazen Nnamdi Kanu counted up to, is it 5 or 4? This our brother in the Lord also counted that they have 6 now or 5, he said. Isn't it? All of them, they have all descended to Nigeria. They have descended. Hey, Chineke. They are all in Nigeria. This one is carrying their own. This one is carrying their own. This one is carrying their own. What are the Southerners doing? Sit on your platform, castigate the people trying to bring everybody together. Just trying to destroy things. Trying to destroy things. Did you hear from this place? Uwechiawa, or where is this place? I don't know where this place is. Okay. Do we hear? Look at how men, you heard what he said. That the Fulani daggered her husband. What did she do? Obu ofonye mefa. Oputo the man down. That is a woman venom. This thing has gotten here. Your Rubicon. This one has surpassed the Rubicon. Do you people understand? Okay? No, you are planning how you will go to Dubai. You are planning how you will go to America before you come, sweetheart. That's your beautiful structure. Okay? Has been raised down. Before you come back from your Dubai. Because each day they have their map. They have where they will invade. Abba Kyari have gone. They have gone to strategize. They have gone to strategize. Be there. Castigating the effort of Simon. Be there. Oh, Luku. Ekperima, oh, Luku. Go and listen to Chistre Mazen Namode Kano past broadcast. And you will know if what Simon is doing and what your blockhead is doing. Go and listen to Chistre Mazen Namode Kano's broadcast. You are looking for P2B, right? P2B will come and wreck. At least from the smell of a fat, you will know how the smell of the excreta will be. When I fart now, okay, you will perceive the smell. Then imagine I go to the loo, how it's gonna ooze out. Okay, P2B, okay, is, oh my God, is aspiring to be your president. Yet he cannot talk with Soludo. They cannot talk and say this thing is too much. No, my brother. Don't do this. Do not do this. Don't destroy. Don't destroy our own. Okay. During the Biafra-Nigerian war, it was spelled out. And then now Yodume Gojuku saved the Biafran land and its properties. But this time, they are systematically entering to our government, entering through our people. Okay, go through Salud, go through Devumahi, go through Nelson Wike, go through Nkabia State, Okeze last. Okay, go through all of them. You see? So they need notes. Because they have thought of how they got it wrong during the Biafra-Nigerian war. They thought of how they got it wrong. Now they are mending their steps and they are skyrocketing. That time, during the war, we did this. We did this. Now we will not go this way. Let's go this way. Okay. You heard what one of them said. If he had known that with money, the Igbo man can sell his brother, it would have been futile to have gone to war. Okay, and see how they are using that money to penetrate into us. If somebody comes and give you money, you will look for my location. You will collect the money, at least Christmas, Abana Chai. Munyem Chorije Dubai. Kanalo had this 1 million. After all, Mr. Patricia nyem 20,000 now. Now she lives in social address. Go there. Okay, then my spirit will haunt you, haunt your generations. If in the go the same one, imalo na ife ne soya, iye jogodu igboton. Okay, maybe igboton no. Iye jogodu igboton. Je draw my grandmother. My grandmother, ya do her own grandmother. Can't see where potowa, idiots. Selling your brothers for money. Okono mi bottom. I'm just speaking it. Don't get it misconstrued. That is a buro Igbo, okay? Are you okay? No fear. Did you hear? Igbos now have turned to lamentation. The Fulanis are the revelation. Did you hear that? Inulia? Odumeje is just a little of the iceberg. Bishop Onaga shut down adoration. Yes, it's good. It's good for Baka. They have summoned you people to shut down all your churches. 1 month to go. 1 month. Ewe sizie na nke nna ya odumejeketa bido. Ono na say, oh, security post ke ewepolo. Oh, security post. Ojin when do na drainage. Because this Soludo administration is the first administration in Anambra State. So other administration never saw where that church is structured, isn't it? Other past governors never saw that place was situated at a drainage spot. Your Soludo just spotted it. Obide got ozugbo. Ocholilo life failed. Pitch ebe ya na agba ball Bayern Munchen na Leverkusen. Okay? All you billionaires, all you Obi Kubana, e-money, Ononcha, Kono fule gunu, Kono fule gama, ni fulani, Gagwa yunu kesi spend there. Okay, yeah. Ani Igbo agugo. Akwe for another. Before you are from na Igbo, let's Biafra bia. Biafra bialo, no deba. Open a Biafra biaro, no deba. Okay, yeah. Hey, open a munu. Abia come, kick and be me. Abia my chalk keyboard. What am I coming there to look for? Bad people. Look at your fellow man. He's not in Ugwawusa. They were not in Ugwawusa. They are in their own village proper. Their own proper village. They are running away. Tell me where they want to run to. But let this my brother see me now. You will see him, such as those in Brussels. We are waiting for you. We will do show you. You will go and show Fulani guy. Go and show Fulani guy. I say shame on una shame just this. I'm just perplexed with you people shame. I just get perplexed with you people shame. Una shame is shame me. All you billionaires, all you daddy GPs. Okay. Look, listen. Harmoniously, it will get to my Oduduwa side. You see how they are doing my Oduduwa side? Every month, they will just bring one. testing mic. Nothing is happening. We will only shout, hey, whoa! I want Fulani, I want Bororonio, want Ideo, want Payo, want Jokinina. Finish. But at least I hear some of my Oduduwa people during these their night programs, how they are planning for them too. Okay, Shawani wan Loguni. They say they have Jujuabi. Let them come and meet them. But are you waiting for them to meet you? They are doing it systematically. They are doing it systematic because they know my Oduduwa people, they're ready for them. They know. They know that my Oduduwa people don't carry Bible like you Igbos are carrying Bible. Matthew chapter 8 verse 3 said, Matthew Bishop 1 nonsense. My Oduduwa will leave Bible for you. Take their tradition. Yes, so. Leave Bible, take their tradition. Okay. Before you kill them, they will kill you. And you cannot even, if you see their place, assuming Igbo land was to be a Yoruba land, Fulani can never trespass. Because that is Ebu. Because yes, this brings me. That's not a so when on company wiki fatom, that's who the wiki me something. Ndiana bia Ebu ejucha fanaro. Ebu ejucha fanaro bikonu. Ndiana fufa. Ndiana fuzo. That's the daddy na mommy. Ndiana bia ebu eju fanaro. Fafu Red Sea. Fana for they can Red Sea. They cannot approach anymore. Who they made that one? Atueka, atu ere. Unu nenyo unu n'Imo State. Atu ere. Asina anele na afia. Biko n'Imo biko ne ukwa niwe. Mana we find. And many people are go na atu ere. Many people ejidokwa. iPhone na Facebook. Ajufa. Ofe ba kafa ncha na-esi. So atu ere anwa. Unu enwe ike ije goli ebe o bulu ibu. Wusalu fa n'ụzọ. Unu fum nata kita. Unu bi kenem. The next thing, unu tinyere m atu ere na Chineke na ozuko. Anata themselves. Nata kwa na anata chọ me for anybody. Abia na ekenem. Ekenem. Kenem na phone ozugo. Abia na visit anybody. We don't beg you. No di beg. Unu ncha gbali ya na njọ. Unu ncha gbali ya na njọ. Nyeluo. Ifunu na-eme bụ nyeluo. Akwa gị na onye adị na mma. Na ọnwụ ife mmenye gị ka ije nye ede, okay? Ife ọkwa na gịnị? Mba. Iya achọlụ m ego. But the show ni ye me niye na. After all, nsi anye m keta. Oye kwe nye m. Inalo weta. Di kenem. Una afu ha Facebook. Mwa yi n'olo onwe na agbalo onwe ya egwu. Ka somebody just fell n'akụkụ ya wela aka tee n'afọ. Maka ọfụrụ onyeluo. Ọfụrụ onyeluo. Tufi akwa unu. Mmebe anything abịa na abụ m ego. Tinye na envelope tọgbọ ya naanị. Mmebe anything and ekwe ka nsi ekwu ya. Abunam don't come in short. Yeah, for themselves. Because Biafra go by them. All you evil people. Unu yeso ndị Fulani. Mu na-esoro ndị Fulani. Aya na-emu unu ife papa m gwalụ m na a na-eme those days. Ibulu onye alụmala elie gị na ndụ. Enye gị na ndụ. Let's see how all these outrageous atrocities will not stop. Let's see how all these nonsensical characters of you people will not stop. Okay. Biafra. Chistre Mazina Monicano is our father. He is not here. See how everywhere now, Magaragara. Chai, na Igbo. Then we go now and start showing him the video. You see? See what we did to one of your people. Your people cannot do anything. You see? These are the people you were dying for. Look at them. They cannot even come to protect their own. Amalodumeja kante. If somebody goes eba wana say, Oga take am easy na. Take am easy na. Oga take am easy. Ekperima. Please. I just thank God na I thank God they demolish her church, yeah. Okay. But it's just the tip of the iceberg. Testing, kahabele test. Okay. Gwa soludo ko me nkawa. Obuno woro onye obuna akuloku. We are coming for the big show. Aka ya asunu no nwekwele ebe ozo no na the drainage. Soludo free for yebe. O ije wa gota. He destroy you for odumeje. He destroy ife woke mmadụ tala afụfụ. Go cement n'aka Dangote. Ya? Abakiari. Abakiari. Chei. Bebe na-ekpele ife mekwele chizitere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Bebe si na-ekpele ike. Maka Abakiari pụlụnụ. You people are not thinking what I'm thinking. You people are not thinking what I'm thinking in the PVC. You people are not thinking what I'm thinking in the PVC. PVC! The obedient fools. Obedient fools. My God.